everyone, I'm Victor Lee. I'm the CEO of a company called Onova. We run hackathons for Fortune 500 companies. I'm also the CEO or founder of a company called B Club. So we run 2 to 3 times a week poker games for founders and investors. And I'm really excited because tonight we've got over 100 founders and investors in tech in Toronto coming out for one of the biggest tournaments we've ever done. Earlier this night, I ran a talk on entrepreneurship and poker, where I talked about all the lessons I've learned as a semi-professional poker player and how I've applied it to the businesses that I've run. But it's a great opportunity for networking, community, business, and more, and we've got a ton of people coming out to play and love it. If you're interested in checking us out, go to www.bclub.poker and join our games.